Hello everyone. Here we are on a Monday afternoon, about 2:30 in the afternoon, and we're flying around the house on Clearview Road. It's March the 3rd. Yeah, let me correct that. March the 9th, 2020. They're doing some digging in the backyard. Don't know if it's for a swimming pool or something to do with a house addition. I have no idea. But that's what's going on. Pretty nice day for drone flying. Temperature in the upper 50s. A little bit of a breeze blowing, but a nice bright sunny day. So down in the comment section there'll be a link to take you back and check the previous videos, check any differences out. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.